Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how to open an assignment in Numbers, and then how to edit the assignment, and then how to turn that assignment back into Canvas. So the first thing we have to do is locate the assignment. So if you would, go ahead and open up your Canvas app or Canvas on the web, depending on which way you prefer to access the site. And once it opens, you are going to locate the class that has the file that you need. So in this case, it's going to be AMAZ History Fall 2016. We tap on that. We locate the assignment either in the calendar on the right-hand side, or you can look for it in modules on the left. In this case, we'll just hit Tenements and Urbanization. And you're going to notice that there's a set of directions here. Of course, you're going to want to read these directions and follow these directions when you're working on the assignment, but I'm not walking through the assignment. I'm just showing you how to open it in Numbers and how to edit it. So we're going to hit Tenements and Urbanization, the link there. That's going to open up the assignment. Now you have to open it in Numbers, because right now it is currently in the Canvas app still. Now if you're on iOS 10, which you should be, if you're not, you need to update, you're going to find, as we affectionately call it, the Sharrow in the upper right hand corner. You'll click on the Sharrow. You'll find Numbers, copy to Numbers. You'll notice that the assignment populates here, and there it is. If you don't see it populate automatically, it's in your spreadsheets setup here, and you'll just choose it. And so now this is the assignment. There are some parts of this page that are editable, and there are some of the parts of this page that are not. For example, you'll see the tap to type your answer box. That is editable. The hyperlinks in the direction are clickable, and the photo or the image placeholder on the right hand side is editable and movable as well. So in this particular case, you're going to find the information that you need to complete this assignment. For example, what life was like inside a tenement. And you can do that by clicking on the America's Growing Cities and Buildings Called Tenements links. And those will take you to websites that will give you information about the tenements. Once you have the information necessary, you're going to come back. You're going to tap inside the button here, or inside the window that says tap to type your answers. Select the information, and you can begin to type. Life in the 10 blah blah blah. Okay, you'll put that information in there. Then to edit, you can move it around. For example, like so. You can change the width of your text box. You can change the type here, the face, the font. All those things can be changed relatively easily. And you do so by accessing the little paintbrush in the upper right hand corner. That's your format tool. That's an important tool to know. So the next thing that we need to do after you have that information is, in this particular assignment, it's going to ask you to replace those image placeholders with pictures. So you're going to go out to the web, say to Google, do a search for historical tenement pictures, and you're going to save the ones that you want to use on your iPad in your camera roll. Then when you're ready to replace those, this is what you're going to do. You're going to tap on the image placeholder. You'll notice that the blue dots come up around it. We don't want to do anything here. We don't want to cut, copy, delete, or anything. We want to hit that format button, and you'll notice that the middle of the three choices that you have at the top, style, image, and arrange, we're going to use image. You're going to hit replace. Replace then will open up your albums or your screenshots. You'll find where you located those. Click on the actual photo itself, and boom, it magically appears. It's sized. Everything is ready to go for your assignment. If you look at the picture and you say it's not really the placement that I want, what you can do is you can double tap on the picture. It'll open up a slider at the bottom. This will allow you to increase or decrease the size of the image. You can move that image in the box itself. but anything outside of that box is going to be cut off. You can see how it ghosts. All right, so you find the way that you want it to look for your assignment, click Done, and there you go. So once you have your assignment completed and it's ready to turn in, this automatically saves in Numbers on your iPad. So when you come back here later, it will be here for you to use and to study from. You're going to click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and you're going to notice that it looks something like this. Again, if you're not using iOS 10, you need to update because it probably doesn't look like this. You're going to say Send a Copy. In this case, we want to send it as a PDF. We're going to use the print settings. We're going to send. It's going to generate the document. Okay. Then you're going to find where you want to save it. So if you want to send it to Google, always recommended, send a copy to Google. You want to directly import it into Canvas so that you can submit the assignment using the app. Go ahead and click Import to Canvas. So we'll pretend that we've done that. Unfortunately, I can't show you how to load it because I don't have a student account. But if you need help with that step, there is another video. And there is also other students that can help you do that, or you can come and talk to me about that particular step as well. All right, so that shows you a little bit about how to use Numbers in order to complete the assignment that you have today.